Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, I have a video clip where I want to know if you listen to my wisdom warriors, and then we will elaborate on it. Take in this.
Entire this week. We're looking forward to that. The Ministry of Labour and Social Security said that they're going to be in the year giving us some care package. We have been directing them throughout the year and throughout the space. No resources have been given to council to offer whatever relief, no kind of relief, to the people from government. You understand? So that's the thing. We have to be begging private sector for assistance. Private sector has been answering. We got some contribution from private sector, but overall we haven't gotten anything at all from central government. We got some assistance from local government, from the municipal corporation, to assist with the clearing of roads. But in terms of relief, we haven't gotten anything as council.
My wisdom warriors, you know who that attack? Romain Morris from Moko Division. That is Romain Morris. Yes, man. He's a MP for Moko Division. When you hear what him say, he haven't received anything. They haven't received any nothing. Lord Jesus. When I hear these things, my wisdom warriors. So when we bloggers come out and we attack, we know what we are say. Because the people, them are ball out. The people, they not get the help. The people, they not get the help. And me tell you, Andrew Honest think this is a 9-day wonder. Where him go collect the billions and give where him want to give, and that's it. And then he die down, and that is it. And then him just get rich and switch. No. It not go so. It not go so, my wisdom warriors. What kind of government is these type of people? These people not care about nobody. They not care about nobody. You hear what the man say? And he not done talk, Him have more to say. Hear this.
I think my comrade colleague, Cian Barnes, he made mention of that. And several other councillors that we haven't gotten anything. And that's the reason why certain things that we would like to do or want to do, we can't respond in a particular way. But we are responding through private sector and collectively through councillors, showing you ways and means they can get some resources to assist.
Yes.
My wisdom warriors, when you hear what Romain say, they have to get the help from private sectors. It shouldn't be like that. Because Andrew Wallace is getting so much billions of dollars, millions of US dollar, and get 4 million US. Plus in CRR, what type of loan? Catastrophe loan, what catastrophe disaster fund, or what kind of holy pub, whatever bangarang them call it. In getting disaster fund, in get too much money, my wisdom warriors. So these people not supposed to go to the private sector and ask for help. This is wrong. This is totally wrong. And the government get so much money. So what Andrew Honest do with the money? Andrew Honest, what you do with the money? And that the people them want to win, brother. And on top of that, my wisdom warriors, remember say, create a GoFundMe. Remember say, create something like a GoFundMe called Disaster Fund. Remember good, So when Andrew Honest do the whole of them the money there. When do the whole of them the money there? My box cover, I want dangerous brother this, I want dangerous brother. So my wisdom warriors, me can't hear these things. See how Andrew Honest treat my Jamaican people and don't talk about it and make some look of fool, stupid labor right threatening me and me if you stop talk because of them. You know crazy? Me say if you know crazy, I won't stop talk. Me no business with me no business with a soul. Me tell you that. Some things me want to talk to my wisdom warriors. I want dip up underneath them, you see? I true, you don't even know. I want deep up underneath the labor right there, me see proper and good. I just true me have to hold my mouth. Me I tell you no. I just true me have to hold my mouth. Seriously. Because look what Andrew Holness. I wonder if fake guests not see these things. Fake guests not see these things. And uno say, uno love Jamaican people. Uno no love nobody, man. Uno can't say uno love Jamaican people and see how the government treat the people them. From the 3rd of July, Beryl come and gone. See Romain come out and attack. Romain Morris. See Romain Morris come out and attack. Them not get no relief money. They not get no help. They are not getting any help. Them have to turn to private sectors. Hey, Andrew, you want wicked brother, you know. You have to go down. You want wicked. My wisdom warriors, this a prime minister, yeah, when name Andrew Holness, name have to lift up out of House of Parliament. Ain't terrible. The man is wicked to him own. You don't see what going on. The man are colonizing his own people, them. You come like you don't see what is going on. Hey, a captivity the man have in, you know, and it's only gonna get worse, you know, my wisdom warriors, if the people them at Jamaica not stand up, you know. If them not stand up, you know, it only gonna get worse, you know. Jano, you know. Jano.
And just before you go, Councillor Romain, as a councillor, have you heard from the Minister of Local Government? And as you said, that councillors wouldn't really receive anything from central government. But a lot of Jamaicans don't really know that the central government is a total different operation from the local government. And as a councillor, would that fall into the local government ins and outs? No assistance as the councillor. And this is right across the country. Little or no assistance have been given to councillors themselves. And I just think the way in which the government went on doing it by giving assistance to the member of parliament. Some of the times, you know, we as citizens don't really see our MP, you know. It is the councillors in the various communities and divisions. You are the ones that we see oftentimes. And I think it was a bad example for central government to give funding to the MPs, because we saw what happened to some constituencies where the Jamaica Labour Party would keep meetings with their councillors and exclude the PNP councillors. And this is just unacceptable. And I think it's the same thing that is happening in North Central Clarendon. I don't understand why the Minister of Local Government don't step in and say, this is my time, this is a local government issue, and let us start rebuilding from the local level. I just don't think the government get this relief program. They didn't start it properly at all.
Well, Jerry Bryan, let me say this to you, and this is something I'm really passionate about.
Yeah.
I think further reform needed within local government. Right? Local government need the dedicated funds, they need the dedicated roles and responsibilities, you know, to kind of wean them off central government, because you're going to continue having situations like this where central government say, well, they're not going to give local government anything, and then you have a problem, you know, in how we at the local level respond to our constituents and to the, you know, and to Jamaica at large when you have situations like this. But if you have a dedicated fund where we know that a section of the consolidated fund, a 1% or 2% of the consolidated fund, come to the local authority, which automatically comes to it, you know, I think that would be a better position, put local authorities in a better position to respond to situations like these, whereas we have to rely on minister to send down resources to municipal corporation. It has been 3 weeks, going to 4 weeks now since the hurricane, and until now, there's no resources.
My wisdom warriors, I see the dirty thinking labor right them come out and I come chat about how the councillor them a tell lie. The councillor they not tell no lie because the people them stress out. The people them a ball out. What is Andrew Holness doing with the money? You know hear what Romain say? 4 weeks now, 3 to 4 weeks now, Beryl come and gone. 4 weeks now. And no resources, no help. No help. And me no know how no labor right really sit down under this. Uno what listen now? Uno labor right. Uno know say uno sufferer, no for uno. Uno sufferer and uno sit down under this government, make government a trample upon uno. Uno no say uno a real fool. And come out here chat off on the mouth about council tell lie. The people they not tell no lie. The people them not tell no lie. All this man when name Romain. The way how the people them love him. The way how the people them love him in a film division. This a man that make sure say him put out the best. And hear what him say? All know they not get no resources. All know my wisdom warriors. All know. It is sad, you know. It is really sad. That's why when me see some dancehall artists come out and a big up Andrew Holness, me have to wonder what is he really bigging up Andrew Holness for? Why is he even doing that? Me see them a post station and all these rubbish. You see Andrew Holness a prison for them, you know. Andrew Holness for their prison because he under ongoing investigation of all heap of things, you know. All heap of things Andrew Holness do, you know. He breach the law of the lands. If I did me and you do that, you know, a jail that, you know. A jail time that. So what is the difference between Andrew Holness and the other people them? And that me want to know what is the difference. What is so special about Andrew Holness? Because in a different country, none of the prime minister then can do that. So what is the difference between Andrew Holness and the citizens? And that me want to know. This a man for their prison, for breach the law of the lands. My wisdom warriors, I just don't understand, you know. I really do not understand these people. Jamaican people are full time for to rise up. The clock is ticking. A full time for to rise up. Uno no say what Andrew Holness do. Uno come together. Uno unite me Jamaican people. Unite. Unite and touch the street. If uno come out in a number, then can't do no nothing. Me I tell you that. Uno just protest peacefully. And I eat that. Roll out in our numbers. It come like you don't see what Andrew Holness do. Andrew Holness not even say, all right, make him give them a donation them then. A man take a donation and say, I'm going to loan it to small business. That is what Andrew Holness said. And when I talk about it, people are threatening me. Because me I lick out against the wrongdoings that the government is doing and them not like it. So them come out and threaten me. You understand me? People, we have to wise up. We have to get up. You get me? We have to get up. Else Andrew Holness really got to turn Jamaica in a bafam. Me I tell you no. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. Wanna tell me how you feel about it and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I want to run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me, the link is there in the comment section. You can also reach me on my WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.